Guys, it's me, William Labour here, and in today's video I will be showing you how to get free moving wallpapers and really cool wallpapers. And they're all free and you can get ringtones from it and everything. And notifications, I'll show you in the video. And you've got to download this app called Zedge. It's completely free and you get it from the Play Store. Also you can get it from for iOS as well. So head into Zedge. And then you go in, and as you can see, it's like wallpapers, live wallpapers, games, icons, notifications, ringtones, downloads, favorite, settings, and help. If you want a live wallpaper, you can go into live wallpapers and see if you can see. Look, you've got the time, northern lights, twisty light, dog liquor, underwater sea, real thunderstorm, cool waves, all you can think of. And then some of them might be bad, I'm not sure. I might go for the real aquarium. So you press install, completely free, don't worry. And then you go into install, accept. Sorry for putting that on there. And then you just wait for it to download, take you 2 seconds literally. Maybe not 2 seconds, but I am using Recordable at the moment. It's really good, really simple. I'll do a video about it after this. Real aquarium, wallpaper. So, it's done. You go into open. And I know, skip tutorial. I'll just show you now. You can do the tutorial. And then you go into Zedge. And you click set. Real aquarium. Set wallpaper. And there you go. It's free wallpaper. It's all moving. You scroll along to see all different fishies. There's all different ones, don't worry, this isn't the only one. This one looks a bit bad, but oh well, it looks quite cool. Yeah. So you can do all different ones. And Zedge for you. And on ringtones, if you go into it's exactly the same for wallpapers and live wallpapers. Live wallpapers is exactly the same as thingies. So you'll find out. So you can do like all different ringtones. You can do see you again ringtone, cheerleader, like this. That's see you again, cheerleaders, this one. That song's annoying me now. And then you got new. That's new iPhone 6 remix, pretty good. Then you got Minion Ring Ring. I won't go all of these.
Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Get your phone, cause someone called. Get your phone.
Right, that one's sounds a bit weird, but yeah, so you get the point now. And then you just click on it and then it'll say set and all that. So, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.